Hardening Guard, an anti-degradation paint for stone, is a revolutionary new paint that stops stone from deteriorating over time, causing it to peel off in tatters. The effect lasts for more than 20 years while maintaining the same texture as before. It is a material and construction method with excellent total performance in terms of both cost and effectiveness. Hardening Guard is also available outside of Japan. Tuff is also used in the Colosseum in Italy, the retaining wall of the Papal Palace in Avignon, France, the famous Parc Güell in Spain, and in prominent buildings such as Salzburg Cathedral in Austria. Hardening Guard is available worldwide. Here is a video of a plastic bottle dropped from about 1.5 meters onto deteriorated stone. Once again in the throw, you can see the deteriorated stone splattering on impact. If Hardening Guard is applied and dropped under the same conditions, we can confirm that the Hardening Guard has penetrated and is not splattering. The image on the left is without Hardening Guard, and the image on the right is with Hardening Guard installed. You can see that the untreated stone is damaged, while the stone with Hardening Guard installed is undamaged. Here is a video of an unprocessed, deteriorated stone that has been scratched with a razor claw. You can see it crumbling and falling apart. Here is a video of the installation and clawing of the Hardening Guard. In this way, Hardening Guard can break the aging process from the exterior stone material that has deteriorated over time. Peel off the stone that is about to be peeled off with a razor claw. It is also recommended to peel off the deteriorated stone material with a crowbar. Thorough removal of deteriorated stone prior to high-pressure cleaning is key. Stone is cleaned with a high-pressure cleaner. Curing adjacent areas from splashing debris due to high-pressure washing is essential. Protective eyewear, gloves, and masks must be worn. It is important to clean carefully and without gaps. High-pressure washers remove large amounts of deteriorated stone. Before high-pressure cleaning. After high-pressure cleaning. Repair joints where mortar has peeled off. When the mortar is dry, it will be painted. Mix agent A and B in a 1:1 ratio. Weigh agent A first with a measuring cup. Next, measure out the B agent with a measuring cup. Mix the A and B agents together. Stir at least 10 times. After mixing, transfer to a hanging can. Paint is evenly applied to the stone as if pouring it on with a brush. The key is to pour it over the stone material so that it absorbs it. The use of sprayers causes poisoning. Always apply with a brush.